Nice and lovely, guys. So basically this morning I'm back in the kitchen with another one with Chef Ricardo cooking show, and to be honest, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can make yourself a nice lovely beetroot juice recipe. Very good for you in the morning to drink. Alright, especially when you wake up in the morning, you want to drink a nice lovely beetroot juice. But before we go any further with the beetroot juice, I just want to introduce you to the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice gift set. Just a quick talk about the gift set this morning. It's on their website, as you can see right there. It's coming up to Mother's Day, and you know what I mean, a lot of people want to get something for Mother's Day. Alright guys? Yeah, 100%. So basically, as I said, it's coming up to Mother's Day, and a lot of people will want to get something for Mother's Day. 100%, we all know that. Mother's Day is a very important time of the year. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Why not don't get something for Mother's Day? Alright? So basically, this is a fantastic and an amazing gift set for Mother's Day. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different products inside of the box. Alright? And this is the way it look. And not only that, you got a beautiful leaflet inside of it where mommy can prepare something for Mother's Day. It is fantastic and an amazing. Right here you can see it's got like fried chicken, you got the Caribbean Fusion, you know what I mean, curry, shrimps and all different kind of stuff on it. It's just an amazing gift set for Mother's Day. So the link for this gift set will be in the description box. Alright guys, that's where the link will be. Alright, so yeah, please yeah, get your gift set from the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice website. You can go to the website. The link will be in the description box, as you can see right here. Just a quick one this morning from Chef Ricardo. I decided to share it with you guys one more time. How to get the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice gift set, and yeah, it's on their website. All right. Quick update this morning from Chef Ricardo. As I said, the link will be in the description box. It's coming up to Mother's Day, and it's very important, you guys, to support mommy or your mom or dad on, you know what I mean, this Mother's Day. Alright? Perfect gift set, guys, for Mother's Day or even Father's Day. Alright? It's a beautiful gift set, and to be honest with you, it's just something where you can use at home. Alright? For Mother's Day is going to be like a special time of the year where everyone want to support their mom, you know what I mean, back in the Caribbean and back over abroad, different countries, going to be Mother's Day. Alright, and as I said, the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice, they got their gift set right there, as you can say. Mac, big up yourself, man. Good morning. Thank you so much for coming on the show. Really appreciate it. Remember to follow Chef Ricardo on my YouTube channel, Chef Ricardo Cooking, guys. Please follow. Get cooking with us. Thank you so much to coming on the show this morning. Alright? Really appreciate it. Just a quick video. I just want to simple share it this morning. We're talking about the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice gift set. Alright? Beautiful gift set, and to be honest, I would encourage you guys to get one of these, because it is amazing to have it in your kitchen to do something, alright, differently. Not only that, alright, they got their own, these are some of their other product, which I have also, you know what I mean, where you can, you know, check out their other product on their website. Very, very good. You know what I mean, like the wellness tea, which is also good for, you know what I mean, a nice, lovely drink in our summer, yeah? It's beautiful and nice, guys. Look at that. This is the wellness tea. I have so many different kind of herbs and stuff inside of it. Trust me, guys, you need to get this one in the summer, alright? It's beautiful. It's on their website. And not only that, a lot of people who are not getting them seasoned when they brought it on certain kind of website, please go over to their website, Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice.com website, and you can get their product. Alright. Using the code Chef Ricardo, you can get a 20% off. And not only that, this one is also a gift set. Love Mom. So yeah, it's beautiful, guys. Something which you can, check out also on the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice website. Please check out their website, guys. It's very important to go over and support your local business. Alright? It's beautiful. Now, the thing I want to say to you, as I said, I just decided to make you guys beetroot juice this morning, and that's exactly what's going to happen this morning with Chef Ricardo cooking. Alright? I'm going to show you exactly how to make an amazing beetroot juice from Chef Ricardo cooking this morning for drinking early in the morning. It's very good for you to drink some beetroot juice in the morning, or not really say definitely have to be in the morning. It can be any time of the day. You can drink some beetroot juice, but normally it is very good for you to drink it in the morning. Alright? Very, very good for drinking some beetroot juice. So basically, I'm going to take it over here. I got one beetroot left. This is one of my beetroot which I have left right here. So hopefully you guys can see this is the beetroot. And I'm going to simply show you exactly how to do this on an amazing beetroot right here. Alright? So yeah, without any further, I know that probably, I don't know what's going on, but I need to sort that out, man. My video's still blowing at the moment after we've been doing so many works on it. But I'm going to sort it out day by day. We're going to get there. Alright? I think the internet is a problem. Alright, now as you can see, we got one more beetroot left, and I'm going to show you exactly how to make this perfect beetroot juice this morning from Chef Ricardo. So what I'm going to do is remove the skin. Alright, that's the first thing you want to do with a beetroot, is to remove the skin, guys. Because beetroot, remember, very, very strong. And, splash all over the whole place. So you have to be careful when you are removing the skin from the beetroot. Alright? Yeah. Alright, so here it is. So I remove the skin from the beetroot. And this is it right here. Alright, so what we're going to do is get it cut up into some small pieces. Alright, now, to be honest with you, a lot of people doesn't like drink beetroot, but beetroot is very good for you, alright? And now, as you can see, that's the beetroot right there. I'll put it straight inside of the blender, just like this, alright? And what we want to do also is get some ginger. Very important for you to use some ginger in the beetroot, alright? Yeah. So we're going to put two nice lovely pieces of ginger inside of it. Nice one. Yeah, we're going to put another piece of ginger. Because you have to have some ginger inside of it. So basically we're going to get one lemon. Also, alright. So what you want to do is just remove the skin from the lemon. One lemon inside of it like this. Alright. Nice to use some lemon in the beetroot. Trust me, guys. Very, very important. Just use a little bit of And what we're going to do, we're just going to put a little bit of water inside of it. Not much water. Little bit of liquid. Alright. You don't want to put too much liquid inside of it. Now, we're going to blend this for about 2 to 3 seconds. Alright. Now, yeah, just finish blend it. Alright, and what you want to do, you don't want to add too much liquid to it, as I said before. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to run it through our strainer like this. Alright, because you know beetroot have a lot of liquid already, so you don't want to add too much liquid to it. Alright, beautiful. Alright, that is so nice. So you just want to make this get the strain out just like that from it. Alright, that looking good and amazing. 100 fantastic, guys, I'm telling you. So basically, as I said, that's the way you want the beetroot to look. And to be honest with you, you can't go wrong with this kind of drink in the morning. Alright, and honestly, it's a lovely and delicious beetroot juice, and I would encourage you guys to try this one at home in your kitchen. Alright, so basically we all know that beetroot is very good for the blood. Alright, purify your blood, guys. But and you know what I mean, the ginger and the lemon works really well. It's a good combination together. So give it a try at home, you know. Very, very delicious and an amazing drink for you to have at home at this time. Especially it's coming up into the summer, yeah? You want to drink something like this in the morning, alright? Alright, look at that. Beautiful. So you want to make sure you squeeze out everything from it, alright? Beautiful. And that beetroot is organic beetroot, so I'm telling you, it's just perfect. With a little bit of liquid and water, you don't want to add too much liquid to it, you know? You just want to add just a little bit of liquid. Alright, that is lovely and nice. Alright, beautiful. And not only that, here it is. You want to drink this in the morning. Look at this. That is amazing. Alright, guys, and that's exactly what I'm talking about right here. You want to drink this in the morning. Even when you drink a hot cup of lemon tea or a hot cup of ginger tea, you want to drink this after. Because I'm telling you, unless you go to the park, get some running and exercise, and you come back in, then you want to drink a nice, lovely cup of beetroot juice. The beetroot juice is just perfect, work really lovely and delicious, and something which you guys definitely can try at home in the morning before breakfast. It is just an amazing drink, guys. Alright, so basically, as you can see, it's beautiful, fantastic, lovely, and also delicious. And not only that, it's just something where you can drink early in the morning on an empty stomach, you know what I mean? As I said, this is just good penetrate to the blood, and it's just full of natural with it, and it's a very good combination with the lemon and the ginger and the beetroot together. You don't need to add any honey, no apple cider vinegar. You just want to have it purified just like this to drink. And if you want to like to do, guys, it's just very nice for you to do a little bit of a research for yourself by even Googling what's the benefit of beetroot juice. Alright, beetroot, we all know it's very good for us. A lot of people use it, you know what I mean, in baking, in cooking, in soup, in so many different kind of things, you know what I mean. But remember, beetroot also concentrate and penetrate the blood in your body, which pump you. Alright, so you can do your own little bit of research, and I'm telling you, 100% you will see exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about. Beetroot juice on the menu. And remember to check out the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice website.com. They got the, you know what I mean, the perfect gift set for you guys, which I know definitely you guys will love. Alright, anyway, I want to take the time out to say thank you so much for watching, because we all know that this morning is you know what I mean, this morning is a morning where a lot of people, you know what I mean, bringing their kids to school, doing different pieces, and you know what I mean, have to, you know what I mean, go to work and all that stuff. They want to take the time watching the video. I just want to take the time out to say thank you so much, guys. Really appreciate it, 100%. Yeah, please share some love in the description box, and you know what I mean, pray that the Lord will continue to bless every one of you and guide and protect you, because at the end of the day, we all have to give God thanks. Alright, guys, I love no one, and I thank you so much for your support, and I really appreciate it, you know what I mean, coming on the show this morning and support. And I will take the time and say, Matt, big up yourself, and big up a few of my other followers who are supporting Chef Ricardo all along. Alright? Yeah, thank you so much, guys. And definitely, I will definitely come with some more different kind of juice recipe ahead, which is coming, which I've been working on. Some healthy weight loss is coming up to summer. It's coming up to Mother's Day. It's coming up to Father's Day. I have some salt-free dishes, which I'm going to be releasing very soon. If you're a person who are not interested in salt, or you know what I mean, interested in weight loss and all these things. But I love it all. Thank you so much for your support, and you know what I mean, stay tuned in. We got a lot more recipes will be coming from Chef Ricardo, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye.